everybody, how you doing? Peter Carvell here from SixPackFactory.com, and welcome to day 2 of this year's Black Friday giveaway. If you haven't come to join us yet, you can pop over to SixPackFactory.com/BF2021, and today I'm gonna give you guys the one workout I believe everybody should do at least twice per week. It's built into every one of my challenges. Every one of my clients does this workout twice per week, and the great thing is, no matter what you're currently doing, whether you're training at a gym or at home, whether you're muscle building or weight loss, this is a workout that you can do, and it takes just 5 to 8 minutes twice a week, and I promise you it will change the game forever, because it will help you be able to push even harder with any of your other workouts. So if you want to see what the workout is and you want to grab the complete PDF, just pop over to SixPackFactory.com/BF2021, sign up, and you will instantly get access to today's gift. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.